Well, ever since the day that time began, there's been this thing between a woman and a man. Well, I don't know, but I do believe that it started in the garden with Adam and Eve. Samson and Delilah had their fling till she cut his hair and clipped his wing. It don't matter how the story's told, love stays young and can't grow. Let me tell you about love, about the moon and stars above. It's what we've all been dreaming of. Let me tell you about love. Well, Bonaparte and Josephine, I believe they had a pretty good scene, till she said, "Bonnie boy, we're through." And that's when he met his Waterloo. Julie, baby, and Romeo fell in love and stole the show. I know they are history, but there ain't been nothing like you and me. Let me tell you about love, about the moon and stars above. It's what we've all been dreaming of. Let me tell you about love. Let me tell you about love. Dig it, Perkins. Sheba, she was a beauty queen, the prettiest thing that you ever have seen. Solomon, he was mighty wise, but Sheba, she done caught his eye. The world would be in a dreadful fix if it wasn't for the love between cats and chicks. This world wouldn't amount to much without a hug, a kiss, and a tender touch. And let me tell you about love, about the moon and stars above. It's what we've all been dreaming of. Let me tell you about love. Let me tell you about love, about the moon and stars above. It's what we've all been dreaming of. Let me tell you about love. Let me tell you about love.